Welcome back to the CivicSciTV Newsroom. I'm your host, Jake Krauss, reporting to you from Colorado on the latest civic science news and research, now with a focus on the environment. This week we are highlighting the latest science on communicating conservation. A recent study looked at whether stories or statistics work better for communicating to people about environmental issues. They found that personal stories are more effective at making people feel concerned about environmental risks and want to take action. Numbers and data are helpful too, but they work best in certain situations. The researchers discovered that videos with personal stories are especially powerful for making people understand the risks of environmental problems, while statistics work better to change attitudes when they focus on local issues affecting people nearby. Longer messages work better than short ones for getting people to actually change their behavior. When statistics are presented clearly and directly, they help people understand the risks and motivate action, while subtle storytelling approaches also remain effective. The study shows that the best environmental campaigns should combine both personal stories and solid data. New research shows how jokes and satire affect whether people trust scientists. Researchers played audio clips to over 700 people where scientists explained renewable energy using gentle humor, harsh satire, or no jokes at all. People who heard the satirical scientists saw them as more aggressive, which made them trust those scientists less. Interestingly, when people found the jokes to be funny, the negative effects on trust were less than if they didn't find the jokes funny. This suggests that when scientists use satire in their communication, the public may see them as less trustworthy because the satire just comes off as aggressive, unless people enjoy the humor. A new study examined whether metaphors help people understand environmental concepts like the greenhouse effect, carbon footprint, and greenwashing. Researchers compared three explanation styles: single, consistent metaphors, explanations that jumped between different metaphors, and scientific language with no metaphors. While people felt that they understood text better when single metaphors were used, their actual knowledge didn't improve compared to scientific explanations without metaphors. Mixing metaphors performed no better than text without metaphors. The findings reveal that metaphors create an illusion of knowing. People think they understand better, but don't actually learn more. This suggests environmental communicators should use consistent metaphors but cautiously, as they boost confidence and engagement, but may not genuinely improve public understanding of climate science. Thanks so much for watching this week's Civic Science News Roundup. Subscribe to the channel to stay up to date on the latest news and opportunities in civic science. I'm looking forward to seeing you next time.